My name is James, Computer Hardware Training Coordinator for Interconnection, and I am sure to clean your scanner. Now, to clean your scanner, what you're going to want to do is open it up, and this is the main part you want to clean, the glass, because after all, this is the only thing between your computer and the image. Now, to clean this, what I recommend is use a special wipe. You don't want to put any scratches in the glass. This is much like cleaning a pair of binoculars or a 35 millimeter camera. There's some optical cloths you can use for this. You can go to a lot of your photo stores, like your Ritz camera or something, and pick up a cloth that'll work for this. I tend to recommend those. You just get one of those. You can even get little cleaning kits. They're usually rather modestly priced. You just start on it very gently, clean it, getting all the dust off, and any stains or anything else that might be on here from anything that it could come in contact with. One thing to keep in mind is make sure you check your cloth, because if your cloth is all the way dirty, you're not cleaning this as effectively. And that's really all there is to it. My name is James, and I just showed you how to clean your scanner.